Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video is an unboxing of some products that I received from Globleland. This stuff was sent to me for free in return for a few videos. So I'm just gonna show you what I picked out. I have not even looked at everything yet. As you can tell, I just took it out of the mailer. This took less than a week to get to me, and please excuse my knuckles. I hurt myself when I was cleaning. Yep. Okay, so packed up really nice. I'll save the bubble mailer because I can always use those. This is just my little paper. Okay, so first thing I picked out were these focal beads. Let's go ahead and open this up. I like that it comes in a container. I actually don't remember what I picked, so yeah. So here is the beads. Nice little container, and look at how cute these are. Okay, those little spots just come right off. So we got the hole, so you can put this on a beadable pen or a pokey tool. And I am loving the colors. So cute. How cute are those? Those are perfect, and that you get so many. And focal beads, I love them, but I only have this and one other style, so cute. We'll come back to the dies, but let's see what, oh yeah, okay. So another really nice container. Can never get enough containers. Now if I could just get the plastic off of this. Woo! Okay. Alright, tape shut? No. Ooh, I like this container. So I just picked a pack of these plastic chains in all the different colors, and they're, I think, 20 inches long. So we got orange, we got black, perfect Halloween colors. We've got this really cool like neon yellow green color. I really like that. Another like a nice sunshiny yellow. So we've got a couple of white. It looks like you get two of each color. So white. We have this pretty blue. And then there is this darker blue. We have red. So pretty. We have the pink. I really like this shade of pink. It's like, I don't know, lighter than a bubblegum pink, but darker than a baby pink. Really, really pretty. And then we have this nice purple color. I love the plastic chain. I like the way it sounds. I like that it's lightweight, so it doesn't make your dangles too heavy. So those are perfect. Okay, now we will take a look at the dies. So I am doing a steampunk themed swap with somebody, and so I kind of have like gears and, you know, steampunk themed stuff on the brain. So this is a pack that comes with these two dies, and we have this. So it's just like gears and cogs. Really, really cool looking. And it looks like you could separate these two pieces if you want to do like a layering color behind. That's really nice. I like that. And then look at this one. So this is like a card base. I'll give you measurements here in a minute. I think I lost my... I think I can figure it out. I really like this like chain looking piece. these gears that you can pop out and use separately, and then this really neat border. I am obsessed. I cannot wait to cut these out and see how they come out. So I got my little tape measure here. It's seen better days, but this circular one, it is 4 inches. So that's that one. And then this one here, from side to side, it's just a little over 4 1/4. And then this way is about a little over 5 3/4, maybe 5 7/8 almost. Yeah, super cute. I am so excited to play with all of this stuff. And then one more die here. I cannot, okay. I will have these all linked down below if you are interested, but you could tell steampunk and mushrooms are on the brain. I don't know what the mushroom thing is, I just think they're really cute. And I really like the size. I was hoping they would be bigger, and I am so happy that they are. So you just have, you know, the top piece, then the layering piece to put the like white polka dot behind or whatever colors you wanted to do. So yeah, there's the layering pieces, then you got like the stems. It even has these really fun leaves that'll be great for just any of your crafting. And then it comes with some words. Let's see, this says thanks, love, hello. And I like the size of the words too. A lot of times, I've said this before, like I love the KS Craft word dies, but they're so big that most of the time I can't use them because they're just too big for my smaller sized crafting as I'm holding this, you know, giant mushroom die. So this one says happy, best, and then wishes. Super cute. I cannot wait to see how these look all put together. So fun. So that is everything that I picked from Globleland. I will definitely leave the links down below. I also have a coupon code. One moment. Okay, here is the coupon code for 10% off of your order. It is Brooke10. Brooke is spelled with an E. I will also put it in the description box because I know a lot of people get it confused that my name has an E in it. So that is your code. So definitely head on over. They have a lot of awesome stuff and really great prices. But that is everything for today. So until next time, happy crafting!